Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Glam Suzanne. For those that are new, welcome babes, and for those that are returning, welcome back. So today's video is going to be all about Boxycharm, but this time we have a really unique limited edition box. We have the Dare to Dazzle bundles sitting behind me. That's some really awesome products that will be featured in the Addon'S store, and I have the unique chance to be able to try them out with you guys. So if that interests you, be sure to continue watching. And babes, you know the deal. If you are not part of my glam squad, what are you waiting for? All you have to do is smash the subscribe button and be sure to click the bell notification so you don't miss when I upload a brand new video. And follow me on my Instagram and TikTok at Glam with Suzanne and Boxycharm Sneak Peek. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing of this box back here. So this is a little unique as far as packaging. Just so you guys know, this was gifted to me. So this is a PR box. Sorry if my cat was sitting on it. My apologies. This is off to a rocky start. Open it up. It's like a little magnetic closure and it has all the products inside. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about it. So this over here tells us all the products that are in here, and everything that you see in today's video will actually be featured in the Addon'S store. And for those that are new to the Addon'S store, it's the opportunity to go in and purchase items at a great discount. They have beauty, lifestyle, they have skincare, they have pretty much everything. And in honor of Pride, they did highlight special items that will be from the LGBTQI+ brand partners in the Dare to Dazzle Pride collection. And just so you guys know, this will be launching on Monday, June the 21st, I believe at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So by the time you are seeing this, it's live, guys. So you could go right into the Addon'S store and make your purchase if you want anything. I would urge you to do it right away because things sell out super quickly. And in true Pride fashion, I love all the colors that I'm seeing here. So let's go ahead and pick up the very first item in this box. And the very first product up is by Dr. Brandt. This is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Now this was featured as a variation in June Boxy Luxe, but I didn't get it in my Boxy Luxe. So I was really happy to get this, and I love that they have the opportunity to purchase this if you didn't get it. And this is supposed to be a smoothing and soothing hydrating moisturizer that does help with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's supposed to give you a really nice, luminous, healthy, youthful complexion. And I did apply this underneath my complexion products today. I just didn't want this video to be super long. It feels really, really smooth and buttery. Honestly, I expect nothing less from Dr. Brandt. They are an amazing skincare brand. And if you take a look at the consistency, it's not too thick. It's hard to tell on camera always, but it is really, really lightweight in my opinion, and was able to go into the skin right away. I didn't have any problems with this melting right in there, and it leaves your skin looking nice and glowy. I absolutely love how smooth and buttery this feels on the skin without it being heavy, which is really important to me, especially because I put on makeup. So I don't really want a heavy duty moisturizer when I do that. So I really love that this was included in Addon'S, especially if you didn't get the chance to get it. Especially with skincare, it could be a little pricey. So this is a great little purchase. Moving right along to the next item inside this box. Ooh, and we have something from Dragon Beauty. And here we have the Dragon Beauty Translucent Setting Powder. And this is great because I only applied my complexion products really quickly off camera. I actually did not set my face yet. So I'm gonna quickly touch up my concealer, and then we are gonna put this to the test. I hope that there's no flashback or any white cast. Sometimes with translucent powders, they can be really great and they like blend into the skin seamlessly. And sometimes if you are someone of color, you see a little bit of a white cast, which I cannot stand. So we will give her a try. And it does say shade yellow on the bottom, even though it is a translucent. So that tells me that it might have a little bit banana tone to it. So yes, it does actually have a banana tone to it. So take a look at that. It is supposed to be a translucent powder, but it also has a yellow kind of undertone to it, which is supposed to brighten up your skin and give you this really beautiful, healthy complexion. So let's go ahead and put her to the test. Now to touch up my concealer, I'm going back in with the Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. And this is just my true favorite, honestly. I really love this one. I am in the shade Warm Beige, for those that are wondering. I'm just gonna put a little bit here and a little bit here, and then we will blend it out. Now the key with concealer is you wanna let it sit for a little bit, and then you wanna blend it out so you don't lose any of that pigmentation. And then we will set it with the setting powder. So in the meantime, let's do a little reading on this product. This is supposed to be a super lightweight, loose setting powder that is supposed to offer blurring and brightening needs. It's formulated with flat hexagonal shaped particles that are perfect for adhering to the skin for flawless second skin coverage without any color cast. So like I mentioned, it says that there's not supposed to be a color cast, so let's see. We will have to wait and see about that. I am just tapping that concealer. And I like to tap and not drag so I get as much color impact as possible because I have quite a bit of darkness under my eyes. So now with a tapered brush, I'm just gonna pick up some of this loose setting powder, just tap out a little bit of the excess, patting again this product in. And I don't really bake anymore because my under eyes are a lot drier than they used to be. So I just pounce that product in. I feel like it's not too yellow because as you guys could see on camera, it's not super banana, which is really great because I think that's gonna work for a lot of different complexions out there. But I do notice an instant brightening with this. And even though I'm packing on a little bit more even, I don't see any cast from it. Really great. I'm just gonna put it into my lap lines a little bit and just around my mouth to make sure that we don't have any creasing, and just my forehead and T-zone area, essentially where I usually get oily. But that is really impressive. So this one was definitely a little hit. I am so happy to be introduced to the setting powder. I feel like I'll definitely be using it a lot, especially because it was super complimentary, easy to blur out. It didn't give me a cast, it wasn't heavy. This was super good. I'm really happy about this one. So let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Digging back into the box for the next item in here. And ooh, this is going to be my little pride and joy, I feel like. This is the Artist Couture Ethereal Bloom Palette. Yay! I'm so happy to try this out. First of all, look at the packaging. How cute is this? I absolutely love the unicarton. Super cute. Love the little angels. And when you slide her out, ooh, that was such a moment. So pretty. Ah, so gorgeous. I love how small and compact this is. Oh, and yes, it's not broken. I don't know why I was like really nervous to open this up. Super gorgeous shades in here. It's like a pastel dream. And I love that you have a mixture of textures in here. You have some sparkly shades, you have some matte shades. So let's go ahead and create a look. So here's a swatch of the 3 metallic shades, and they are all so very beautiful. I started off with the first shade, which is Flourish, and packed that into the inner corner of the eye. Then I picked up the shade Petal, which is this beautiful lavender purple. Then picking up the shade Goddess, this is a really beautiful neon pink into the outer corner of the eye, and really buffed it out and diffused it. Again, go in really light-handed because these are super pigmented shades, guys. Then from that point on, I picked up the shade Divinity and placed that all over the lid, and picked up the shade Angelic and placed that into the lower lash line. So babes, I know that the eyeshadow looks really intense right now, but please trust the process. I'm going to pull it together, I promise. But in looking at this card, I saw that there is one more product that I could use for the eye look. So let's go ahead and pull that product out. And it is by One Size. So let's go ahead and have a look. And this is supposed to be the Point Made 24-Hour Liquid Eyeliner Pen by One Size Beauty in the shade Black. So this is what it looks like. Super sleek, and it's a felt tip applicator. Ooh, and that is really black. So let's go ahead and create a little winged moment. Let's see how this performs. For those that know me, you know that I am a brush fan. I'm not into felt tips because they tend to drag and skip, but I expect perfection from Patrick Starrr, so hopefully this is the case. So let's see what this looks like. Love how opaque and black this liner is. Super beautiful. So I'm going to do the other eye really quickly. So the eye look is complete, and I love this pastel dream look. I really wanted to go colorful for Pride. Also wanted to try to use as many of the shades in the palette as possible. And I will say that the formula was really easy to use. I love the pigment that you get from it. It was really easy to blend out. So overall, super happy with this, and really happy with this really colorful eye look. So I quickly took a look into the box, and I don't see any complexion products, so I will apply my own very very quickly, and then we will jump back into the Dare to Dazzle collection.
Picking up the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow in the shade Medium Dark. This is by far one of my favorite products. I know that it's a little bit pricey, but it's absolutely amazing, and it's not in Boxycharm, unfortunately. Then we have the Sailor Moon collection from ColourPop, and I just applied this blush all over the cheeks, and it's such a beautiful pink shade. Then we have the Wet n Wild highlighter, and this highlighter is so gorgeous and so finely milled, and it's super affordable. Like, you cannot go wrong with this highlighter. And just highlighted the high points of my face.
Back to the box for the last and final item up, and it is by Lunar Beauty. And this is the Lunar Beauty lip gloss, and I have mine in shade Dreamy. Let's go ahead and try it out. This is my first time trying out a Lunar Beauty lip product, and I am super excited. There we go. The component for this is so pretty, guys. Oh, this is gorgeous. Take a look at that crystal up there. I don't know if you guys could see it. It is literally a small little crystal up there. This is super cute. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to use that. I just want to have it like nice and clean and pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. I am so impressed, Manny. This is stunning. So just as a simple doe foot applicator, so let's try it out. This is probably going to look super sheer on my lips, but I want to show you what it looks like completely on its own. So this is almost like a clear lip gloss, but it does have something in it that gives you that really nice milky pink color, almost like a peachy pink color, but really, really pretty. I think I'm going to put on like a base color first and then come back to talk to you guys a little bit about the product. It's so good. I'm so impressed. I love the texture and the formula of this. This is so pretty also, just to have, just to hold on to. It's so gorgeous, and the color is super pretty. I feel like this would be a great topper for any lip color, or if you just want to wear it alone. It feels super comfortable on the lips. It feels super nourishing. It doesn't feel heavy or goopy or thick or any of those things. This is great, and it smells delicious. So babes, the look is complete, and I am loving my Dare to Dazzle look. This is so pretty and fun and girly and all things beautiful, just like Pride is. So I was super, super happy to have the chance to review these products, try them out, talk to you guys about them. Just so you guys know, the Dare to Dazzle collection will be available as of Monday, June the 21st. So that is today. So you can go onto Boxycharm in the Addon'S store and look up these products. They are absolutely amazing, and they're going to be at a big, big discount. So I would not miss out. They performed so, so well. Honestly, I was shocked with this. I don't know what I expected, but this is the perfect setting powder. It literally melted, covered everything up, brightened it, did not leave any cast or any issues. This was great. I cannot wait to keep on using this. This little palette is just gorgeous. Like, I love the look that I was able to create. And the lip gloss by Lunar Beauty, I think I was just most impressed with everything, like the components, the actual formula. So good. Like, this was a hit. This was just an absolute hit. Like, I can't say anything bad about it. And not that I want to, but I really can't point out any flaws here. This is really, really, really good. So if you guys are interested, I'll link everything down below. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing slash get ready with me slash hang out with me. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and smash the subscribe button so you join my YouTube family, and follow me on TikTok, Instagram at Glam Suzanne and Boxycharm Sneak Peek. I cannot wait to see you guys on another video very, very soon. Until next time, be safe and be well, babes. Bye-bye.